And we're back. Today we're going to be talking about flats, the order of flats, and how to write them. Okay, so first let's know the order. It's battle, ends, and, down, goes, Charles, father. Now let's take a look at writing them in the treble clef. You see, for the treble clef or the bass clef, just like the sharps, the flats start on the line. So we go battle, ends, and, down, goes, Charles, father. So you see the pattern? Always starting on the line, 2, 2, 2, and then the 1. Okay, so now what if you're being asked, what key are you in? So let's take a look here. We have battle, ends. Now let's take a look at the second last flat. So the flat right next to the last one, right there, is the key you're in, battle, ends. So we're in B flat major. Let's take a look at another one. Battle, ends, and. Okay, who's the second last flat? Right there. You see where the key is? So you're on E flat major. So unlike the sharps, the key signature for sharps, the answer is on the page for the flats. All right? Let's take another one. Okay, let's take the bass clef. Draw a dot on line 4. Make a half a heart. Okay, so we're going to start battle, ends, and, down. So who was the flat? Who's the flat that's right beside the last one? Okay, battle, ends, end. Yes, we are in A flat major. Okay. Now one thing you have to try to remember, and this is what you have to memorize, just like in the key of C major, there are no sharps or flats. So, F major, the key of F major, you have to memorize, has one flat. Okay? So, if you see one flat, it's always going to be a B flat, because remember the order never changes. And what does the rhyme start with? Battle, ends, and, down, goes, Charles, father. So, if it has one flat, a B flat, we have to remember that we're in the key of F major. Okay, so let's now say they're going to ask you now to write the key signature in. Okay, so I want you, they'll say, write me the key signature for G flat major. Okay, so let's pick the treble clef. All right, and we're going to start writing, and we can say the rhyme as we write. Battle, ends, and, down, goes. Now you're going to say one more word, Charles. Because who is the second last flat? That's the key we're in. See, G flat major. So when we're writing them in, you say one more word to the rhyme. Okay, so remember the rhyme never changes. And the other thing too, we remember the rhyme for sharps. Father Charles goes down and ends battle. Well, the flats are exact opposite. Battle, ends, and, down, goes, Charles, father. So you see? And the first four, battle, ends, and, down, what word do they spell? They spell bead. Okay? So let's do another one where we're going to write it in. Okay, let's write it in now. Let's write it in the bass clef now. The key signature, they want you to write it in for E flat major. Now, E flat, the flat is in the name itself. So we know we're going to be writing flats. Okay, except for F major, which is like the letter in the alphabet, that one you have to memorize, has only one flat. Otherwise, all the rest of the flat key signatures will have a flat in their name. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat major. That would be the last key for C flat major. So let's write the key signature for E flat major. We're going to write flats because there's a flat in the name. So we're going to start writing battle, ends, and. There you go. We say one more word to the rhyme. Because look at here. Who is the second last flat? E flat. That's the key signature for E flat major. Okay, so now let's go down to the keyboard. All right, just to show you how it works. Now remember flats, because don't they look like a little shovel? Okay, a weird shovel. But you would dig down to shovel. So your flats will always go down. They will move to the left. So they're going down. Okay, they're going down. So if you're going B flat, you know it's always down. A flat, always down. Okay, so here we go. The key signature for F major, it has no flat. It has no flat in its name. Okay, but we know that it has one key. It's got B flat as its key signature. Okay, the key signature for E flat, we'd have battle, ends, end. Okay, so we know if it's E flat major, it's going to start on the flat. Okay, D flat major. Now look at here. C flat major. That's the one that would have 7 flats in its name. So the order, F major has 1 flat, B flat has 2, E flat has 3, A flat has 4, D flat has 5, G flat has 6, and C flat major has 7 flats. Okay, I hope that helps, and we'll be back soon.